Hello my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make natural cough sweets. They are perfect natural cough, cold and flu remedy. So let's make them in the next 3 minutes. You will need ginger, 1 cup sugar, some honey, half cup water, and 1 tablespoon lemon, and of course 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. If you don't have powdered cloves, you can use these ones and turn them into powder yourself. So you will need to prepare a sufuria, put it on a medium heat, then add your sugar and your water and give it a good stir. Now squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon and add as well, and give it a stir as well. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. At this time you should be cooking under medium heat. Now add a half teaspoon of ginger and give it a good stir. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. I used zest honey, but any honey can do. While you wait for it to boil, prepare a flat surface or maybe a tray and put some grease-proof papers on top where you're going to pipe your sweets. Allow it to simmer for like 20 minutes. And by this time it should be thick, dark brown and syrupy. This is the time you can now make your cough sweets of your design. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. But if you've not yet, kindly subscribe to my channel for more of these coming. And kindly tap the notification bell so you won't be left out when I will be uploading another video. Our cough sweets are ready. As you can see, you can just eat them like this, or maybe put them in hot water and allow them to dissolve and have your healthy and delicious drink. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it's something that you can do, go do it. Then come and tell me how it turned out in the comment section and kindly share with your friends.